Hi everybody. Hope you are feeling great. Uh, so uh, I have created a framework using the Selenium and Unit with Extent. Just wanted to share with you. So you can try and let me know your feedback. So you can just look into my screen. So this is the framework using the Selenium WebDriver and Unit, Extent Report, and .NET. Framework code and the sample script is already uploaded in GitHub, so you can go and download there. So before try, I'm just giving you the details that will help you to run the project and get the report. So the first thing, what kind of project? It's a class library.NET project. Its name is Selenium and Unit Extend Framework. These are the version which I have used. It is Selenium Driver, Selenium Support and Unit, Extent Report, and the Configuration Manager. So these are the dependency. Now this is the folder structure. The lib folder is to store the driver executable like Chrome driver or Gcode driver, and then manager, that is a framework. Manager and report folder contains the framework related code, that is initialization and reporting, and the page method, that is for scripting, used for capture the object and their method, and test case, we have one sample test case login which we will showcase in our demo. So this is the app setting, just using the few key based value, so we can update, that is the URL and the browser, which browser you want to execute. So right now in this framework we have three browsers: Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. You can select any browser. Just provide the driver executable path under the lib, and you can use that. And once you do all this setting, then you will get these options to execute the script. So you execute the script, and finally you will get the extent report. Now quickly go to the GitHub and download this framework from either download or either clone. Get the code. I have already downloaded, so let me quickly open the Visual Studio and then we'll import. So let's go and open a project. So this is the project which I downloaded. So just select the solution and open it. So it will load the solution and project. So you can see here the project loaded with solution. Quickly look into this, the directory. Here you can see there is no package. As I mentioned, we need few dependencies like Selenium driver and unit, extend report. So just right click on this Selenium solution and then go to the manage, this one restore, and you get package. So it will restore all the dependency because that is already mentioned in the app.config file. So that's it. Now if you look into the directory, you will get the package. All these required package comes under this. So that is the one. Another setting you need, you have to put the driver executable in this folder. So just copying and just pasting here. Right. So now we are ready. Uh, Now just refresh the project. Refresh the project. Okay, so left hand side you can see we are getting this test shoot and the individual test case in the left hand side under the text explorer. If you are not getting this option, go to the test, go to the windows and select test explorer. So we have two test case, invalid login and valid login. I am going to execute both One test case will pass, another test case will fail. So I'm going to execute both. Select the run selected test and click on it. So the execution is started on Chrome browser. So in app.config, I mentioned the Chrome browser. That's why it is executing on Chrome browser. So this test case failed. It will capture the screenshot and the failure details. Okay, now the second test case. This test case will pass. Fine. Just wait for complete the execution and generating the report. So that's, you can see here, one test case fail and one test case pass. You can also look at the details. Right, one test pass, one test fail. Now go to the folder and check the reports. So in the reports folder, click on index.html, open with browser, and here you can see two test cases. By default it's showing the test view. So you can see the individual test detail, fail, their failure duration, and the screenshot. Here we have the second one. This is the pass scenario. So we are getting the details. Our second option, that is tag bytes. So in this sample script we have two tags. So that's why we are getting the details. And third one is the dashboard. So in dashboard we are getting how many pass, how many fail, total duration, tag wise, device wise, and the environment details which we can configure. So this is the report you are getting. So try this and go ahead and update as per your requirement, and let me know your feedback. Thank you. Have a nice day.